external engineering. So that right there?
Yep.
Trying to move one over the other.